Today we are going to show you the best Nike shoes you can buy right now. We have analyzed the market and listed these 6 best Nike shoes for you. For more amazing product reviews and suggestions, please subscribe to our channel. We will try our best to present you with the best products that you can buy now. Products links in the description box. In this video, we'll be covering Nike shoes, including what they are, why you may want to choose them, and some of the best options out there. Number 6. The Nike Zoom Kobe 6. The Kobe 6 was designed in close collaboration with Kobe Bryant himself, taking into consideration his preferences and playing style. This ensured that the shoe reflected the needs of one of the greatest basketball players of his time. The shoe features Nike's Zoom Air technology, providing responsive cushioning and a low-profile feel. This is essential for basketball players who require both support and agility on the court. The Kobe 6 is notable for its distinctive snake scale pattern on the upper, which not only adds a unique aesthetic but also enhances the shoe's durability and support. The Kobe 6 was praised for its lightweight design, allowing players to move quickly and make sharp cuts on the court. The combination of performance features and a lightweight build made it a popular choice among basketball players. The shoe's design was inspired by the Black Mamba, a nickname associated with Kobe Bryant. This inspiration is reflected in the snake scale pattern and other design elements that convey a sense of speed, agility, and predatory instinct on the court. The Nike Zoom Kobe 6 was released in various colorways, with each iteration often telling a story or reflecting aspects of Kobe's career and personality. Some popular colorways include the Grinch, Rice, and Chaos. Number 5. The most iconic feature of Nike Air Max is the visible air cushioning unit. Nike's Air Sole technology consists of a pressurized air unit within the midsole. This air unit is designed to absorb impact during running or other athletic activities, reducing stress on the joints and providing a more comfortable experience for the wearer. Nike Air Max shoes have been released in various innovative designs, with different styles and colorways. The visible air unit has been incorporated in different ways, creating a signature look that is easily recognizable. Nike Air Max shoes often feature high-quality materials, such as leather, mesh, and synthetic overlays, to provide durability and support. The construction of the shoes is designed to offer a balance of comfort, performance, and style. The Air Max line includes a wide range of models, each with its unique design and features. Nike Air Max has been the canvas for numerous collaborations with artists, designers, and other brands. These collaborations often result in limited edition releases with unique colorways and special details. While initially designed for athletic performance, Nike Air Max shoes have become a fashion statement and are often worn for casual and lifestyle purposes. The combination of comfort, style, and performance has contributed to their popularity beyond the sports realm. Nike continues to innovate and evolve the Air Max line, introducing new technologies and design elements to enhance performance and style. Number 4. The Air Jordan 6. The Air Jordan 6 introduced several innovative features. One of the most distinctive elements is the rubber tongue with a spoiler design, giving it a unique look. The midsole has visible air sole units at the heel and forefoot, providing cushioning and impact protection. The upper often incorporates a combination of leather overlays and perforated panels for both style and ventilation. The Air Jordan 6 is known for its lace locks, which add a functional and aesthetic element to the design. The outsole of the Air Jordan 6 typically features a multi-directional pattern for excellent traction on the basketball court. The use of visible air sole units in the midsole not only contributes to cushioning but also adds to the visual appeal of the shoe. With the air sole units in the heel and forefoot, the Air Jordan 6 provides responsive cushioning for comfort during activities like basketball. The high-top design of the Air Jordan 6 provides additional ankle support, which is crucial for basketball players. The use of premium materials, including leather, contributes to the overall comfort and durability of the shoe. Number 3. The Air Jordan 4 features mesh panels on the upper, which enhances breathability and provides a lightweight feel. The shoe introduced a visible air unit in the heel for added cushioning and impact protection. The design includes supportive wings on the sides and a plastic heel tab for stability. The Air Jordan 4 is known for its unique lace locks near the throat of the shoe, which can be used to tighten the laces securely. The Air Jordan 4 introduced the encapsulated air unit in the heel, providing responsive cushioning and impact absorption. The outsole of the AJ4 typically features a herringbone traction pattern for excellent grip on the court. The air unit in the heel, combined with the midsole, offers decent cushioning for comfort during wear. The high-top design and ankle padding provide support and stability, making it a favorite among basketball players. The original Air Jordan 4 featured a predominantly leather upper, contributing to its durability and classic aesthetic. The mesh panels not only enhance breathability but also contribute to the overall design. Over the years, the Air Jordan 4 has been released in numerous colorways and special editions, collaborating with artists, designers, and other brands. The Air Jordan 4 played a significant role in the rise of sneaker culture. Its appearance in Spike Lee's film Do the Right Thing and its association with Michael Jordan's basketball success contributed to its cultural significance. Number 2. The Nike Cortez. The Nike Cortez features the prominent Nike swoosh logo on the sides, contributing to its distinctive and recognizable design. The original design typically includes a nylon and leather upper, providing a balance of durability and breathability. The Cortez is characterized by its classic silhouette, with a low-cut profile and a clean, streamlined appearance. The shoe's sole is often made with a waffle pattern, which not only adds to the aesthetic appeal but also provides traction and grip. The midsole of the Cortez often contains EVA ethylene vinyl acetate foam, which is known for its lightweight and cushioning properties. The Cortez is designed to offer a comfortable fit, with an emphasis on cushioning for impact absorption during activities. The use of lightweight materials contributes to the overall comfort of the shoe, making it suitable for various activities. Over the years, Nike has released the Cortez in a wide range of colorways, allowing for personalization and catering to different style preferences. The Nike Cortez has gained cultural significance beyond its athletic roots, becoming a symbol in fashion and popular culture. It has been featured in movies, music, and other forms of media. Nike has released special editions and collaborations with artists, designers, and other brands, adding unique elements and details to the classic Cortez design. The versatile design of the Cortez allows it to transition from athletic wear to casual fashion, making it a popular choice for everyday use. Number 2. The Nike Air Force 1. The Nike Air Force 1 was first introduced in 1982 as a basketball shoe. It was named after the aircraft that carried the President of the United States. The design of the Air Force 1 features a low-top or high-top silhouette with a clean and simple aesthetic, making it versatile for various styles and occasions. Over the years, Nike has released the Air Force 1 in a wide range of materials, including leather, suede, and canvas. Special editions often incorporate unique textures, patterns, and colors. The standout feature of the Air Force 1 is its air cushion sole. The midsole contains a full-length air sole unit, providing excellent cushioning and impact absorption. The outsole is typically made of durable rubber and is designed to be non-marking, making it suitable for various indoor and outdoor activities. The Air Force 1 is known for its comfortable fit, thanks to the cushioning provided by the air sole unit. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who are on their feet for extended periods. High-top versions of the Air Force 1 offer additional ankle support, making them a popular choice for both basketball players and casual wearers. Some versions of the Air Force 1 feature perforations on the toe box or sides, providing ventilation and breathability. The shoe typically features the Nike swoosh on the sides and the AF1 logo on the tongue or heel, emphasizing its iconic status. The Air Force 1 has transcended its athletic roots to become a symbol of streetwear culture. It has gained popularity not only for its performance features but also for its stylish and timeless design. All of the best Nike shoes are on our list. Please click the thumbs up icon if you found this video to be helpful. Which Nike shoes would you choose? Let us know what you think by leaving a remark below. Thank you for your time. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you found this video to be useful in any way so you won't miss any upcoming updates, All of you who viewed before that, I hope to see you in the upcoming video.